Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have in a 2010 Ford Fiesta and it's come in for a slight misfire whilst driving. So I'm going to show you some little things that we can do to check and hopefully show you the cause and how to fix it right now. So let's get into it. So the first thing we want to do is a vehicle scan, and as you can see here, all green, no faults found. So with misfire, next thing we want to be checking is our spark plugs, and our spark plugs are under here. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a little 1.25 Zetec engine. So let's pull these leads off and then let's get our spark plug socket, get our spark plugs out and check them. Okay, so first thing we want to do is just pull our leads up, tuck them out to the side. Then we're just going to get our spark plug socket. We're going to go on and we're going to undo all the spark plugs. So I'll quickly do that now. And we just get a little magnet and we can go in and lift our spark plugs out. So we're just going to do that for all 4 spark plugs and then we'll take them out and we'll inspect them. So let's do that now. Okay, so we're just getting the last spark plug out now. So we've got 4 spark plugs. So what we need to do is we need to be checking to make sure the ends are not damaged. And this white ceramic bit here, normally what happens is around this ring will go orange and rusty, and sometimes they crack, but these ones don't look too bad. So there we go. Don't know if you can see that properly there, but that is not dirt, that is actually blown. So there's a crack in the ceramic there, which could be leading the spark to leave the plug and not actually igniting the cylinder properly. So that will be the cause of our misfire. Let me see, number 1 there's still okay as well. So we're going to get a new set of plugs, pop them back in the vehicle, which we're going to do right now, and then we'll start it up and see if the misfire's gone. So we have our 4 new spark plugs, and what we need to do is make sure that the numbers match up and they look identical. Make sure none of the ends have been bashed over in transit. They come pre-gapped, so you shouldn't have to gap them. You can if you want to. 9 times out of 10 they're perfectly fine. So what we're going to do is we're going to put these in each cylinder, lower them down nice and gently into the hole. We're just going to put all 4 in like that. Then what we'll do is we'll take our spark plug socket and we will put them in by hand first, so we don't get none of this cross threading lark. Once you've started them by hand, just wind them down until they're nipped up, and we're going to do that on each one. And then we're going to put our ratchet on and we're going to tighten them down to make sure they're nice and tight. So we're just going to get these in now and then we'll come back. Okay, so that's all of our spark plugs in and tight. So we just want to get our leads and we're just going to pop them back down until you hear a little like that, like that, like that, and then just tidy up your wires. They sit in just like that. Just make sure everything's nice and tight. Now we can go around and start it up. Now she's running absolutely sweet as a nut. So there's just a quick video of one simple trick. It may not always be this easy, but check your spark plugs, and if you find what I found, just replace them. Go on a test drive, everything should be fine. If you still have a misfire after that, you want to be checking your leads and your callback, but that's a more involved video. But this one is now fixed, so I'm going to give it back to the customer and then send them on their way. If you like the video, hit the thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.